What's up, guys? It's Gone On Garage, and today got an update on the mower. So like I said in the other video, I bought a carburetor for it. As you can see, it's on there. Well, that carburetor was about $15, and I totally regret buying that. It's a piece of shit. So what's going on with it is it just runs like shit, and there's only the low speed adjustment, so there's nothing I can do about it. It runs absolutely terrible. I took the carburetor apart to see if the thing was going on with it. Everything's fine. It's just the carburetor's just a piece of shit, pretty much. And there's a lot of reviews good on this carburetor. There's a lot having the same problem as me. If you look around and look at the reviews. So I decided to just rebuild the old carburetor. The old carburetor was missing the float bowl and everything, but I found the float bowl for about $10 and I bought that. So I'm just going to clean that out and use it, and we should be good to go. But we also got a stack for it out of 1-inch pipe. As you can see, put that big ass lock down there, and that lock nut was like $6. It was ridiculous, but I had to trim the corners of it so it wouldn't hit the carburetor manifold. But that was pretty simple. The whole setup was about $40. Now, if you just have the stack without the muffler or this, it's about $25, but about an extra $15 for the muffler and this thing. So the coupler, the one that goes from 1 to 3/4. But I'm gonna start it up and let you see how it runs. So it surges at idle, and it runs rich at high end. Now there's a whole story to it. When I first got it, it ran lean at all throttle. It surged like crazy, like it was absolutely terrible. Like, and it ain't the governor or anything like that. I already checked that. It wasn't the governor. It's actually the carburetor, 100%. I tried adjusting it with the low speed. That didn't help nothing. So I didn't have any carburetor drill bits, and I had a little small drill bit, and I thought, well, it's either going to work or not work. It's either going to fix the situation or stay the same. So I drilled it out, and it just made it run rich instead of lean. But yeah, the carburetor ran like shit, and my attempt to fix it also failed. But yeah, I'll show you how it runs. Now, obviously, before it ran lean, but now it runs rich. But what's funny, it still runs lean at low speed. So I'm about to put the phone down to start this SOB. So pretty much you just wrap the rope around there and pull it. So, well, as you can see, it's running lean. But watch what happens when I rip it up. probably won't run it much longer just because, you know, I don't want it to get real hot. But at least you get to see it running. But once we get that other carburetor good to go and thing running good, then we'll start going into fully swapping and stuff. That's going to be the fun part. Right now this thing's dog slow. I'll probably end up painting this setup. And I'll probably get a shorter pipe right there too, so it doesn't stick up as much. I'll lock it just a little over hood level. Let's run up to 90 bit. So you can see it's running lean. I mean, I know it's not just me. After firing and shit, it's definitely running lean. But if I rev it up just a little bit too much, it'll run rich. Like right there. Things back to running lean again. Can't believe that shit. Screw the low side in some more. Let's unscrew it and see what it does. Doesn't really do much, really.